Howdy folks, Russell here, day 66 of my broadcast. It's been a very nice day today. Hot, not as hot as yesterday, at least I don't think so. But since it was up in the 90s, I decided that I'm going to do a little painting on my ramp. Not supposed to rain until midday tomorrow. I'm hoping that's going to be long enough for it to dry in these very hot temperatures that the rain will not disrupt it. So the colors for today were a light purple. Here's an example. Painted that just so I wouldn't lose it when I drop it. That's one of the spears for my spear gun, maybe, which is still being worked on. I'll talk some more about that a little bit later. And also today for the colors, I had a pink, which is kind of that right there. It's kind of a purpley pink. It's a little dark, a little interesting. So that's what I laid down today. See, I've got a little bit of that purple, got a little bit of that purple. There's that pink, and the colors are really starting to fill in. So I'm thinking I got a dark green, maybe something red-orange in the mix coming up whenever I get the chance. But I'm running out of white, and that's what I was going for. So hey, I'm liking it. That's what I got done today. Also cleaned up the shop a little bit, and I've worked on my stuff for my spear gun, which I'm going to go down right now and work on it. And I think I have an idea that may make it into a passable arm-mounted spear gun. I really hope so. So I'm going to sign off right now, and I'll probably make another video in a little while. If I've had any progress, and if I haven't, I'll probably explain why. So talk to y'all later. This is Russell, day 66, signing out, but just for right now. Hi folks, Russell here, back again on day 66. Well, I said I was gonna give you an update on the spear gun. Well, I have made a little bit of progress. Now, we're not done, but currently what we have, let's see, looks a little bit like this. Here we got our two little connections for our two elastic pieces. Kind of like that. There's our firing mechanism. And it's still working on it. But I just had a successful power launch, that first one. So here we go. I'm going to show you. See if I can get that on there like that. Got it in the vise. It's easier to mess with. Not bad, right? Take that. Put this here spear in it. Don't you think? Might be a little fish business going on. I don't know. Something. Rabbit. Squirrel. Can't. Whatever. Nothing. Target practice. It's fun. But hey. So, not abject failure. Step on the way. And so that's where we're at right now. I hope, everybody enjoyed it. And hope everybody continues to have a good day.